everyone, how are you doing? I am super excited. Today we have another brand new subscription to open on our channel, and it is a jewelry subscription. It is called Lux or Love. I saw some sneak peeks of what I'm getting and I am seriously thrilled. I have just been loving jewelry lately and loving trying new pieces. So I'll tell you all about the company and then we will get unboxing. But before we do that, I just want to remind you that I do have my 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on. Why is that word so hard? But I have my 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on that ends May 8th, and that is open international. So I will leave the link below, the correct link. I apologize, the last 2 days I was linking an old giveaway. I think most of you guys figured that out. If you haven't even already entered, I think a lot of you have already, but anyways, the correct link is in the description box, so enter that if you have not yet. The link is to my giveaway video where I show you all of the prizes and tell you how to enter. It's really easy, pretty much just have to subscribe and all of that. But yeah, check that out. But anyways, like I said, I'm super excited. So Lux or Love is a jewelry subscription, like I said, and this one's a little bit different because you get at least 5 pieces, which I think is awesome. In my experience, I rarely get over 3 pieces in any jewelry subscription. I can't even think of any right now where you get more than that. And this is a jewelry subscription where you get to keep everything, because I know I've opened some rental jewelry subscriptions in the past. This is one you get to keep. So it's $25 per month, and you get, like I said, you get at least 5 pieces, and the value is over $65. So their whole thing is like that you get like really high quality pieces without breaking the bank. So that is what they're all about, which I think is awesome. Their website does say that they ship worldwide. So yeah, let's get unboxing. So of course I'll leave the link down below, and they start shipping their May box on May 4th, so just in a few days. So if you order it, you'll get the May box, but I believe I am opening April. If you go to their website, you will get a sneak peek of the May box, and I saw it, and it is super cute. Anyways, when I open it, this is what I see. So there is a card on top, which I love. It says, Lux or Love Fan Club. Hi gorgeous, we are honored to have your photos of Lux or Love products shared on our social media sites. So I guess if you do include like any photos on social media of their pieces, they will feature you, which is super cool. So there is that. And then it says, Lux or Love VIP offer. Congratulations. As Lux or Love Club VIP, you can apply the promo code, and then it has a promo code here, to receive a 50% discount when shopping in the online boutique store. That's awesome. So I guess on their website you can also just shop for individual pieces. So it's not just a subscription service. They also have a boutique online, which is super cool. So it looks like the jewelry is wrapped in individual bags, which is super cute and awesome for storage. So the first thing I see here, ooh, this is a bracelet. This is so beautiful. Here is what it looks like. I love these layered pieces and that pop of turquoise. Oh my god, I absolutely love turquoise. This is such like a southwestern feel to it, and I love that. I've spent some time in New Mexico in my life, and I just have been hooked ever since. So I didn't wear any jewelry today, so I could, sorry for my dramatic hair flip, so I could put it on during this video. So I will go ahead and put this bracelet on and show you what it looks like on me. So this is what it looks like. I think that is super cute and I love it. Just gotta be careful not to wear this one in the shower. I got bracelets the other day and I wore them in the shower, which you shouldn't wear your jewelry in the shower, any kind of jewelry, and I ruined it. So I learned my lesson, and I'm super excited. And I'm super excited too because I was able to get this on all by myself. Also, when I was just like pulling on it when I was talking, it kind of like untied itself. So just to save some time, I am not going to do that on camera right now. Hopefully I can tie it all. But it looks like these like pieces just kind of came untied over here. So to tie those pieces together and put it back on. But again, that is what it looks like. Is that focusing? There's so many different layers to it, so I hope you can see all of them clearly. Anyways, let's move on to the next item. Again, in a black bag, they all are. Ooh, and I think this is a ring. Ooh, it is a ring. Pretty. Let me put it on and show you. I feel like that'll be the easiest way. So it looks like this is one that should be able to fit a lot of people. It actually like spins around. This is cute. So I think this would be able to fit a lot of people because look, it like has a little separation there so you can slide it onto your finger, but it's like a little like floral design of gems, and then there's a teeny gem like right over here on this side too. I think this is so pretty. I really like this. I'm gonna keep this on. Oh, next up is a necklace, and this has a turquoise stone on it, which I love. Oops, I got the chain wrapped around the earring. I love turquoise stones so much, and it looks like there's some gems around the stone. So this is what that looks like. I just think that it's just such a beautiful color. I love turquoise so much. So let me get this on. So I have the necklace on. I think it is so pretty. I love the length, especially with this tank top I have on. It is covered with cat hair, by the way. I need to stop coloring my cats before I film. Hopefully you guys can't see that mess, but you can. I have 3 cats, what can I say? This looks so pretty. I love it. So let's move on to the next piece. It looks like there's 2 more items. Okay, so this one is an accessory, and this is cute. This is like a keychain. There's this pretty deer on it, and there's a little quote right here on one of the dangles. Let me read that. It says, "I feel about you makes my heart love to be free. I feel about you makes my heart want to be free." Cute. I think this is so cute. I will definitely put this on one of my keys. A few of them do not have any keychains right now, so this will be really helpful. Plus the fact that it is cute. I think that is such like cute detail. Look at that. And I am a huge animal lover, and this is so pretty. I love deer. I'm guessing that's what this is, right? Awesome. And then there's like the detailing on top too. Cute. Now I'm guessing the last thing are earrings. Let's see. Oh, these are so unique. Let me see if I can show. So these are like gold, and then there's like some stone in it. Can you guys see? I hope you can see on camera. Inside there's pieces of stone. It says these earrings have natural shell inside, so they're all different colors. This is so pretty. Here, I'm gonna just hold one up and see up closer and make sure you guys can see all that detail there. That is gorgeous. So let me put these on. So here are the earrings on me. I think they're super cute. I love dangly earrings, and I think it goes well with the necklace. So I think this was such a good box. I love getting so many items, and they're all different too, and they're all complementary to each other, and they're not too matchy-matchy. Like, I'm not a big matchy person, but these all complement each other. Like that touch of turquoise in the bracelet goes with this beautiful necklace, which is my favorite piece, I think, out of all of this. I love it so much. It's made of natural turquoise stone, which is awesome. Look at that. I'm looking at my viewfinder more than you guys probably, sorry, but I'm just like loving it. I think it's so pretty. It's like very me, I love it. And the earrings I think are really pretty too, and I think they're so unique, and that's so cool that there's like the little pieces of shell in them, which hopefully you guys can see on camera. And I really like this too. This is super pretty. And I do think that this could fit multiple ring sizes, which is super awesome. And it's just so fun, and it spins around, which is really cute. But I like how it's like a little flower, so I'm definitely gonna keep this on. So pretty. These all seem like good quality. They don't seem cheap or anything, and I think this is so cute too. I love it. I like how it comes with an accessory. So we got 5 items for $25, which is like, what, like $5 each? And I think these are definitely worth that. And I think this is so pretty. I hope I can tie this back together. But another thing is the fact that it doesn't tie. You can wear these as individual bracelets if you felt like it. So love that pop of turquoise, like I said. So yeah, I will definitely leave their link down below in the description box. So if you're into spoilers, you can see what their next box looks like. That ships out on May 4th. I think it looks super cute. I have it pulled up, I think. I was looking at their website before I started speaking, so normally I have to like read the website to talk to you guys about a new subscription, but I was so pumped about this one. I already kind of knew what was going on, even though it was my first time. So yeah, if you go to their website and you want a spoiler, you can go to what's inside. So it won't be like on their main page. So it's up to you if you want a spoiler. But again, there's like 5 pieces and they are super cute. I'm loving the earrings that are coming next month. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. I love you so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.